I really like this visual of how to create a sales funnel on Facebook. So first off, the top of the sales funnel, or the upside down triangle, is posting engaging and shareable content. You're constantly posting images, videos, infographics, helpful blog posts, sharing other pages' content, sharing other YouTube content. Your goal is to attract and bring people to your page. This is the top of the funnel. We're building interest. Next, we have offers and promotions. We want to provide incentives that appeal to our visitors. So this includes providing that free content to capture the email, providing a newsletter to capture that email. These are those low threshold items that turn a fan into a lead. So I'll say lead generation or lead capturing a lot in this course. What I mean is turning that Facebook page like into someone that I can potentially market to via my email marketing campaign. Now finally, we've built the trust. We've helped that customer answer some questions about this service or product. Now we offer the promotion. We send out the deal, the coupon code, whatever it may be, but we turn that lead into a sale. So that's why it's a funnel. It starts just attracting, then it provides value and engaging content to capture that lead, and then we convert that lead into a paying customer.